Poker is a card game in which you try to make the best hand possible with a 5-card combination. The player with the best hand wins the sum of all bets placed by all players. If you are not playing in a casino, one of the players acts as the dealer. Sitting left to him are small blind, and sitting next to him is big blind. The two players forced to place money into the pot and required forced bets. First round of betting, called pre-flop, starts after the cards called whole cards are in hands of players, and the first player to act is the one left to the dealer. He can bet or check, which means do nothing. If he or anyone else in clockwise rotation choose to bet, the rest have the options to call, match the amount of the raise into the pot, fold, give up the hand and the chips, raise, put even more chips into the pot. The flop, second round, is when the dealer deals 3 cards called community cards, face up on the board. Again, this is the chance to bet or check. The turn, third round, when the dealer puts a 4th card on the table, with the again options for betting, raising, checking or folding. The river is the 4th and final round, which starts with the 5th card put on the table by the dealer, and the last round of checking or betting. If more than one player is still left in the hand after the final betting, the cards are exposed, and the highest hand wins the pot. These are the hands ranked from the weakest. High card, pair, 2 pairs, 3 of a kind, straight, flush, full house, 4 of a kind, straight flush, royal flush. Regardless of whether you're playing a live poker game online or in person, rules are pretty much the same. Put in a little research and find the legitimate online poker games that will not bluff you. Play responsibly.